cost, schedule, and quality. You get all of those with BuildRight. That's why we would use them again. We knocked down 2 bearing walls, tore everything out to the studs, reworked the master suite quite a bit, added a bathroom. We did a lot of stuff, and Chris and his whole BuildRight team were able to get it done really fast, really good quality end product. The budget was pretty much right on where we anticipated. To get speed, quality, and cost effectiveness out of a remodel is unheard of. It's peace of mind from a financial standpoint, peace of mind in knowing that it's a company that did what they said they were going to do and they stayed on schedule. I would recommend BuildRight without hesitation or reservation for all of those reasons.